Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, Teacher Celine.
Wait, don't move. I have mystery questions for you. Where do you borrow books? Where do you play football? Where do you eat your lunch? Can you answer these questions? Today, we are going on an exciting school tour. We will visit many places in a school and learn their names. Along the way, you will answer questions, play guessing games, and earn super student points. Are you ready for the adventure? A school is a place where we learn, play, make friends, and grow. Inside a school, there are many important places. Today, we are studying school vocabulary, specifically the different places in a school. Come and take a tour with us, and let's have fun learning together. Let's go. This is the school gate. Repeat after me, school gate.
School gate.
We enter and leave school through the school gate.
Bye, see you.
This is the school assembly ground. Repeat after me, school assembly ground.
School assembly ground.
We gather here for assemblies, announcements, and special events. Let's go. Students, this is a classroom. Repeat after me, classroom.
Classroom.
Very good. A classroom is a place where we learn. This is the library. The library has many books for reading and learning. Everyone repeat, library.
Library.
What do we do in the library?
We read books.
That's right. Let's open our storybook. This is the computer room. Students learn how to use computers here. Repeat after me, computer room.
Computer room.
What can we use in the computer room?
Computers.
Now let's go. This is the science laboratory. Students do science experiments here. Repeat, science laboratory.
Science laboratory.
Excellent. Now let's mix these.
Wow, it's changing color.
This is the music room. Students sing songs and play instruments here. Repeat, music room.
Music room.
Music room.
Bye-bye, see you soon.
This is the cafeteria, also called the canteen. Students eat breakfast, lunch, and snacks here. Repeat, cafeteria.
Cafeteria.
Where do we eat lunch?
In the cafeteria.
This is the art room. We draw, paint, and create artwork in the art room. Repeat after me.
Art room. Goodbye. Goodbye.
This is the gym. Repeat after me. Gym.
Gym.
We exercise and play sports in the gym.
Yay, let's play.
This is the school clinic. Students go here when they feel sick or get hurt. Repeat.
Clinic.
That's right. We're here to help. Where do we go if we feel sick?
The clinic.
This is the school office. Repeat after me. School office.
School office.
The principal and office staff work here.
Hello, students. Welcome to the office.
Hello.
This is the restroom. Repeat after me. Restroom.
Restroom.
We use the restroom and wash our hands here. First, wet your hands. Now add soap and scrub. This is the playground. Students play, exercise, and have fun in the playground. Repeat after me. Playground.
Playground.
What do we do in the playground?
We run and play.
Excellent! Welcome back to class. Today, we visited many places in the school. Did you have fun?
Yes!
Great! Now, let's play a fun game called Guess the Place. I will give you some clues and you will guess the place. Are you ready?
Let's begin.
I read books here.
Library.
I eat lunch here.
Cafeteria.
I play with my friends here.
Playground.
Very good. I use a computer here.
Computer room.
I learn music here.
Music room.
Repeat after me.
Classroom.
Library.
Library.
Playground.
Playground.
Cafeteria. Computer room.
Computer room.
Science laboratory.
Science room.
Art room.
Art room.
Today we learned many places at school.
Classroom, library, computer room, science lab, music room, cafeteria, playground.
See you next time.
Bye, see you.